Hi friends, welcome to my channel MK Study. Today I will be discussing multiple choice questions on medieval history of Odisha. This is the 8th part of the series of Odisha history. Unless you have seen the earlier videos, you may go to the playlist of my channel and watch them. In this video I have taken only 20 multiple choice questions on the medieval history of Odisha. During my discussion, I have tried to discuss additional information and concepts related to the points in questions so that your knowledge and understanding of the subject will be better. In this way, after the discussion of 20 MCQs, you will get to know more than 50 to 60 important facts or information which are very probable from the competitive examinations point of view. So friends, without delay, let us start the first question. Palur had been an important port during medieval Odisha. In which of the modern district of Odisha Palur is situated? Balasar, Jagatsinghpur, Puri, Ganjam. The right answer is Ganjam. Palur was an important port on the coast of ancient Odisha. The earliest reference to this port appears in the work of the Greek sailor Ptolemy during the 2nd century CE, who has named it as Palora. Palur, as referred above, is a village situated in the Chhatrapur subdivision of the Ganjam district of Odisha, above the mouth of Rusukulya river. Question number 2. Che Li Ta Lo, described by Huensang as a port, is identified with which of the following places in modern Odisha? A. Dhamara, B. Balasar, C. Hariharpur, D. Puri. The right answer is Puri. Che Li Ta Lo was another important seaport of ancient Odisha. The reference of Che Li Ta Lo for the first time appears in the accounts of Huensang in the 7th century CE. He was a Buddhist pilgrim who came to Odisha in 639 AD. Question number 3. Which form of Buddhism was prevalent in Odisha during the visit of Huensang? Hinayana, Mahayana, both Hinayana and Mahayana, none of the above. The right answer is C, both Hinayana and Mahayana. So let us see what is Hinayana and Mahayana. After the death of Buddha, Buddhism was divided into two sects, namely Mahayana and Hinayana Buddhism. The term Hinayana is called lesser vehicle or modest vehicle, and Mahayana is greater vehicle or vast vehicle. Hinayana follows the original teaching of Buddha. It emphasizes individual salvation through self-discipline and meditation. On the other hand, Mahayana sect of Buddhism believes that Buddha is a god and believes in idol worship. Question number 4. During whose rule in medieval Odisha Mahayana Buddhism reached its pinnacle? The Bhaumakaras, the Gangas, the Somavanshi, the Suryavanshis. The right answer is the Bhaumakara. In the first half of the 8th century AD, Bhaumakara dynasty established its rule over the coastal belt of Odisha. The capital of this dynasty, called Guheshwara Pataku, was situated near modern Jajpur town of Jajpur district. Shivakara Deva I is regarded as the founder of the Bhaumakara rule. Question number 5. The Lakusila Pasupata sect was very popular during the reign of which of the following dynasties? The Ganga, the Somavanshi, the Bhaumakara, the Suryavanshi. The right answer is Bhaumakara. Lakulisa was a great religious teacher and the founder of the Pasupata sect of Shaivism in the first quarter of the 2nd century AD. It is believed that Lakulisa Pasupata cult was brought to Kosala and Kalinga in the 4th century AD during the military campaign of the Gupta monarch Samudragupta. Question number 6. Which of the following is believed to have been the earliest Shakti Pitha in Odisha? Puri, Jhankada, Sambalpur, Jajapura. The right answer is Jajapura. Jajpur is known for its famous Biraja temple. It is one of the most important Shakti Pitha in Odisha. The incarnation of Ma Durga is worshipped as Biraja or Girija in this temple. The present temple was built during the 13th century from the name of the Devi Biraja. Jajpur is known as Biraja Khetra. Question number 7. In which of the following temples in Odisha the image of 12 armed Durga is found? Kanakeshwara temple Kualo, Boitala temple Bhubaneswar, Kichakeshwari temple Khiching, Bhagavati temple Banapura. The right answer is Kanakeshwara temple Kualo. Kanakeshwara temple is situated in Parjang Tahsil of Dhenkanal district, Odisha. It is located on the left bank of river Brahmani and about 10 kilometers east of Talcher town. The temple, it is dated to 9th century AD. Question number 8. Hirapur near Bhubaneswar is famous for image of 20 armed Durga, image of 22 armed Durga, image of 64 Yogini, none of the above. The right answer is C. Image of 64 Yogini. The 64 Yogini temple of Hirapur is also called Mahamaya temple. The temple is believed to have been built by Queen Hiradevi of the Brahma dynasty during the 9th century. Such temples dedicated to Yogini is also seen at Ranipur Jharial site of the Balangir district in Odisha. Question number 9. Where is Nrsimhanath temple situated in Odisha? Remuna, Paikmal, Jajapura, Sambalpura. The right answer is Paikmal. Sri Nrsimhanath temple is situated at the foothills of Gandhamardan hills near Paikmal in Bargada district. The king of Patana, Baijal Dev, laid the foundation of this historic temple in 1413 AD. Question number 10. Gopinath temple is situated in which of the following place? Jhankada, Kakatapura, Remuna, Banapura. The right answer is C. Remuna. Khirachora Gopinath temple is in Remuna in Baleswar district of Odisha. King Langula Narasimhadeva of Eastern Ganga dynasty constructed the temple for Gopinatha. Nilamadhava temple is situated in which of the following place? Contilo, Puri, Pipili, Vedavyasa. The right answer is A. Contilo. Nilamadhava temple is situated on the bank of river Mahanadi at Contilo in Noyagad district, Odisha. The temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu according to the researchers, and on the basis of available evidences, the Bhanja and most probably Shatrubhanja first, who was a Parama Vaishnava, is believed to have constructed the temple of Nilamadhava temple. Question number 12. Where is Alarnath temple situated in Odisha? Khiching, Brahmagiri, Koraput, Kakatapur. The right answer is Brahmagiri. Alarnath temple is a temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu and located in Brahmagiri in Odisha near Puri. It becomes crowded during the Krishna Paksha of Ashadha after the Snana Yatra, when Lord Jagannatha cannot be seen in Puri. During this period, popularly known as Anasara, which means no opportunity to see the Lord of Puri, instead of visiting Jagannath temple at Puri, people visit Alarnath temple to have darshana of Lord Jagannatha, because people believe that Lord Jagannatha during this time manifests as Alarnath Dev at the Alarnath temple in Brahmagiri. The temple is also associated with the visit of the Saint Ramanujarya to Orissa. Question number 13. Shaktism gained momentum especially during the rule of which of the following dynasty? Bhaumakara, Ganga, Nala, Somavanshi. The right answer is Somavanshi. The Somavanshi kings, though Shaiva by faith, patronized Shakti in a large scale during the early years of their rule. It is striking to note that the Somavanshis have saluted Bhagavati Pakambari as the presiding deity of Suvarnapura. Their first capital in Kosala. In the Brahmeshwar temple inscription at Bhubaneswar, Somavanshi ruler Yayati II is recorded as Chandihara, since he was an ardent devotee of both Chandi and Hara. Question number 14. Gorakhnath temple at Kerkera in Jagatsinghpur is associated with which of the following religious tenets? Shakti cult, Natha cult, Vaishnava cult, Jagannatha cult. The right answer is Natha cult. Baba Gorakhnath was the follower of Matsyendranath, the founder of the Natha tradition. It was Gorakhnath who popularized this tradition. Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh is the center of Natha tradition. Question number 15. Ma Tarini of Ghatagaon was the tutelary or protector deity of which of the following royal dynasty? Chauhan, Bhanja, Bhaumakara, Bhoi dynasty. The right answer is B. Bhanja. Ma Tarini of Ghatagaon was the tutelary deity of Bhanja of Kendujhar. According to the history, Govinda Bhanja is said to have brought the goddess Tarini from Kanchi in South India after defeating the Kanchi king in 1475 AD. Govinda Bhanja had been appointed Senapati by Purushottama Deva during his battle with Kanchi king Saluva Narasimha, the father of Padmavati. Question number 16. Ma Hingula is worshipped in which of the following places in Odisha? Banapura, Bhadraka, Jhankada, Gopala Prasada. The right answer is Gopala Prasada. Gopala Prasad is a big village situated at distance of about 35 kilometers from Talcher in Angul district. Ma Hingula was the tutelary deity of the Nala and Sulki rulers of Talcher area. The legend goes that the fire used to cook the Mahaprasada in the kitchen of the Jagannath temple at Puri represents Ma Hingula. Thus, Ma Hingula represents the fire and is worshipped as goddess of fire. Question number 17. Whom did Suleiman Karani appointed as governor of Kataka after conquering Orissa from Mukunda Deva? Bayezid, Khan Jahan Lodi, Sheikh Muhammad, Munim Khan. The right answer is Khan Jahan Lodi. Suleiman Karani, the Afghan ruler of Bengal, conquered Odisha from Raja Mukunda Deva in 1568 and appointed Khan Jahan Lodi as the governor of Cuttack and returned to Bengal. After the death of Karani in 1572, his eldest son Bayezid ruled over a very short time and was succeeded by Daud, the second son of Suleiman, in 1573. Daud refused to pay allegiance to Emperor Akbar and declared himself as sovereign. As a result of this, there started a struggle between the Afghan and the Mughals. Question number 18. The tradition of writing Madala Panchi of Jagannath temple at Puri started during which of the following king? Udyota Kesari, Chodaganga Deva, Narasimha Deva first, Yayati Kesari. The right answer is Chodaganga Deva. Madala Panchi is the temple chronicle of Lord Jagannath. It records Odisha's historical events involving Lord Jagannatha or the Jagannath temple. Traditionally, the Madala Panchi was written on the year-by-year basis. On Vijayadashami, the Karana, official historian of Puri and Odisha caste, are responsible for recording and maintaining the chronicle. Question number 19. Ma Pataneshwari was the tutelary deity of which of the following royal dynasties? Bhoi, Suryavanshi, Chauhans, Nagas. The right answer is Chauhans. Pataneshwari was the tutelary deity of Chauhans ruler of Patanagarh in Balangir district. The founder of the Chauhan dynasty of Patanagarh was Ramai Deva. He built the Pataneshwari temple at Patnagarh. Question number 20. What do the Guntha, Mana, Bhatti terms used in Gajapati dynasty denote? A. Revenue from land. B. Different units of land. C. Tax on sales of commodities. D. Units of measurement of grains. Right answer is B. Different units of land. The Gajapati were medieval Hindu dynasty that ruled over Kalinga from 1434 to here the printing mistake. It has to be read 1541 AD. The vast empire of Gajapati extended from the river bank of Ganges to that of Godavari. The capital of this vast empire was Katakapatana or modern Kataka. So friends, it is the last question of this series, and hope the video may be helpful to you to solve many questions on Odisha history. So let me conclude this session here. I will come with new videos on the history of Odisha very soon. And friends, if you like and feel that the video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe the channel unless you have done it. And don't forget to give your valuable feedback in the comment box so that I can improve the videos with qualitative contents. Thank you very much.